Hello and welcome to Mr. Green's Vidcast, your guide to the explosive world that is chemistry. My name is John Green, and in this video, I will show you how to solve a stoichiometry problem. Stoichiometry problems meet Standard 4 of the Utah core curriculum. Stoichiometry problems are really easy to identify because you will be given a dimensional analysis problem paired with a chemical equation. The goal of a stoichiometry problem is to take some starting material and convert it into a different material. In this problem, the starting material is 20 grams calcium hydroxide, and we will be converting it to grams of ammonia. Now, for every stoichiometry problem, you need to make sure that your chemical equation is completely balanced. For this problem, I've already balanced this equation. After you've got your balanced equation, you first ask yourself, what do I start with in this problem? In this problem, you'll notice you start with 20 grams of ammonia sulfate, so we're going to write that on the left. Next, you ask yourself, where am I going with this problem? This problem is asking for grams of ammonia, so we're going to put grams of ammonia on the right. Now, to convert our starting material to our end material, we have to convert our grams of ammonia sulfate into grams of ammonia. So, the first thing we're going to do is change grams of ammonia sulfate into moles of ammonia sulfate. The ratio to do this is simply the molecular weight of ammonia sulfate, which is 132 grams per 1 mole. You will notice this causes grams of ammonia sulfate to cancel out, and we're left with moles of ammonia sulfate. Now we are going to convert from moles of ammonia sulfate to moles of ammonia. To convert from moles of ammonia sulfate to moles of ammonia, we have to introduce the stoichiometric ratio. Now the stoichiometric ratio says that if you're going to convert from moles of one material in a balanced reaction to moles of another material in the balanced reaction, you can simply use the coefficients from that balanced reaction to determine the ratio between the two. Looking at the balanced equation, you see that every 1 mole of ammonia sulfate has 2 moles of ammonia. So our stoichiometric ratio is simply 2 moles of ammonia to 1 mole of ammonia sulfate. Now the moles of ammonia sulfate cancel out, and we're left with the moles of ammonia. Since we are looking for grams of ammonia, as we can see on the right, and not moles of ammonia, then we have to change from moles of ammonia to grams of ammonia. This can simply be done by using the molecular weight of ammonia. Now we see that moles of ammonia cancel out, and grams of ammonia is left over, and that is what we wanted to end with in this equation. Now plugging all these values into your calculator, you'll find that 20 grams of ammonia sulfate ends up giving you an answer of 5.15 grams ammonia. Congratulations on solving your first stoichiometry problem. Remember that you can always identify them by the dimensional analysis problem with a chemical reaction. Remember to always balance the chemical reaction. And remember the stoichiometric ratio, and you should be able to get the right answer every time.